Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you Carl Erickson from Rockford. Carl, could you please tell us about your company?
Certainly. My company is a locally owned manufacturing company. We manufacture sintered tungsten carbide predominantly for the cold heading and fastener industry as well as the tableting industry.
Excellent. And Carl, when should people enter the field of CNC?
That's a great question. So currently the market, the job market for CNC operators is not fulfilled. There's a lot of openings and a large void. Companies like myself are scrambling to find good employees to fill these positions, and we need help. We need manpower to put in front of these machines, and Rockford is full of them.
Excellent, and you just answered my other question too. So I'll skip right to the third one. So why do you want to work with RCC to help fill your employment needs?
Excellent. So 2.5 years ago, I was introduced to one of the top students in the class, and I was able to make a direct hire with him directly out of the program, and he worked his way up through our company and has been an excellent asset to our business.
Fantastic. Carl, I want to thank you so much for your time, and thank you for coming here today for Rockford Career College.
Thank you. Thank you.